Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Guys, I'm super excited for this DIY. It's gonna be blingy, pretty, and glamorous. Alright, so to start off, from the Dollar Tree I have two small bowls. Alright, and I'm gonna bling them out in two different ways. And you're gonna need some candle holder. Mostly you can get them from Dollar Tree. Alright, look at this guys, I'm super excited. I know me making, guys, it come just like this from the Dollarama. Yeah, so from the dollar store, $4. These are super cute. I'm gonna use some of these gems, rhinestones here. They're like heart roses. Look at it, super pretty. And they are ribbons. $1.50, only $1.50 from Dollarama. And guys, you know how me so greedy? I got it in the butterfly. Look at the butterflies. In the hearts. Look at those. So my peeps, what I realized, some are bigger than some. So I have to separate the small ones and the big ones. And then I'm gonna add them, one big, one small. I went around it, and now I'm gonna use the smaller ones, and I'm gonna put in the right in the groove here. All right my peeps, so this is it. Look how beautiful it is and rosy. Make sure to leave out enough space at the bottom. So now I went ahead and I glued two candle holders together, just like that. And you want to use your E6000 or your Gorilla Glue. So this is my Gorilla Glue. And now guys, just like that, I'm gonna glue it in place and I'm gonna leave it to dry. All right, now my peeps, we are moving on to the second one. Now with this one, I want to make somewhat of a different style, and I'm gonna use these ribbons, butterfly, and it has a diamond in it. Now I don't need to cut this one because I want the little diamond to show. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray paint this with this silver paint, and I'm gonna let it dry. And I got this one from the thrift store, as I told you before, and I'm just gonna use my Gorilla Glue and I'm gonna glue it. And now guys, when I'm starting the second row, I'm gonna take it from in the middle. I choose to leave it like this guys. I'm not gonna bring it all the way down to the bottom. I want to leave it just like this. This is what I came up with. Now guys, I didn't glue these beautiful decorative pieces on top because I want to use them at different time or for different reason. So I just set it on just like that. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. Yes, yes. And this one, oh my god, I love this one so much. Look at the patterns on it, guys. It's my favorite. You can use it as is for a candle holder or a centerpiece. You can just use it as a decorative piece. It's so beautiful. All right, guys, and now you can make it even more gorgeous by adding this one on top, just like that. Wow. Bye, guys.